今日美国在台协会处长孙晓雅昨昏是去台发表年尾的政策演说，伊的主题是网络攻击甲资讯操作对民主制度的挑战。孙晓雅是表示，美国和台湾拢正关心假消息对民主选举的危害，因为美国和台湾伫明年拢要进行总统大选。伊嘛表示，支持台湾的选民透过选举由民主来决定后一任的总统是谁，未受任何外部的干涉。伊嘛强调，美国的立场是，无论谁执政，美国对台湾的政策拢未改变。
Good afternoon. 午安，大家好。
用中文甲台视先问好 ，AIT 处长孙晓雅伊的年终政策演讲，即届入去校园，主题伫讲民主制度面临的一大挑战，网络攻击甲资讯操作。伊讲美国甲台湾拢正关心假消息对民主选举的危害，因为双方拢伫2024有大选。
I want to emphasize that the United States has deep confidence in Taiwan's electoral processes and democratic system. We believe it is for the Taiwan voters to decide their next leader, free from outside interference. And as I have said many times before, the United States is not taking sides in Taiwan's election. We do not have a preferred candidate and look forward to working with whichever leaders Taiwan voters elect.
孙晓雅讲，美方的立场无偏向特定的参选人 ，AIT 特别邀请那日白三阵营的幕僚出席，搁再声明美国对台湾的支持正坚定，对台政策维持无变。伫驻台2年外的时间，孙晓雅讲，伊搁再感受台湾的美好。
The place that Taiwan is right now is a place that most of the world really would, if they knew more about it, would really envy. The message that I have, particularly to the students, compared to the rest of the world, you live in a great place. Here's my phone. This is a U.S. government-provided phone. I've never been able to put TikTok on it. It doesn't provide the sort of information security, information assurance that the U.S. government is comfortable with.
互人问到美国国会立法禁止政府部门设备装 TikTok 伊的看法，孙晓雅当场摕家己手机讲资安的重要性。孙晓雅嘛点出，网络安全是 AIT 首要的战略目标之一。台湾是值得信赖、友伴，双方会继续密切合作。记者综合报道。